Starting on an MBA journey abroad is a bold step toward a brighter future, and the key to this path is a solid understanding of education loans. Let's get you fully equipped with all the essential details about education loans for MBA abroad. Loan amount and expenses covered. First up, loan amounts. With collateral loans, you can secure up to 1.5 crores, and without collateral, it's up to 1 CR. These loans cover various expenses. Let's detail these out. Study costs. This includes your tuition fee, admission fee, expenses for books, and even your laptop or computer expenses. Living expenses, crucial for your day-to-day survival, such as hostel or room rent. Other expenses, think beyond basics, covering travel expenses, insurance, and those miscellaneous costs that will always pop up. Moratorium period and repayment tenure. Next, the moratorium period. It's the cost period plus 6 to 12 months, a time when you don't need to worry about repayments. Speaking of repayments, you'll typically have 12 to 15 years to pay back the loan. Planning these aspects carefully can save you a lot of stress later. Processing fees. Every loan has a cost. Processing fees for these loans are either a flat 10K plus 1500 GST or range from 1 to 2% of the loan amount, depending on your lender. This fee unlocks the sanction letter, essentially your gateway to securing funds. The lender landscape. When choosing a lender, you have multiple options, from public sector giants like the State Bank of India and Union Bank of India to private entities like ICICI and Axis Bank. Each has its own benefits and specializations. Don't forget NBFCs like Avance, Oxilo, HDFC Credila, and UniCreds. They are often more flexible with their terms. Interest rates for education loans. Interest rates vary. In public banks, you're looking at 9 to 11%, whereas private banks and lenders typically charge between 10 to 14%. These rates change, so staying updated is key. Also, explore interest subsidy schemes to ease your financial load. We understand that certain terms and processes might seem tedious, and that is why we have UniCreds, your financial partner. With UniCreds, you can seamlessly apply for an education loan abroad right from the comfort of your home. Click on the link below and our experts will guide you at every step of the way. Top universities for MBA abroad. While we are looking at the loan process and other details around it, let's also have a look at some of the top universities to study MBA abroad. Eligibility for MBA abroad. Eligibility criteria can be extensive. A bachelor's degree from a recognized university is a must. Most universities also look for at least 2 years of work experience. Language proficiency tests like IELTS, TOEFL, or PTE are essential, along with entrance exams such as GMAT or GRE. Be prepared with essays, a solid resume, and in some cases, interviews. Documents required for education loan. Getting your documents in order is crucial. You will need application form. Complete it with photographs and your signature. Identity and residence proof like PAN card, Aadhaar, passport, voter ID, utility bills, etc. Academic documents such as mark sheets, certificates, scorecards of entrance exams. Income documents of the co-applicant. Salary slips for the salaried, business transactions for the self-employed. Other documents like affidavits, collateral documents if applicable. Applying through UniCreds. Applying for your loan through UniCreds can streamline the process. We offer profile analysis, connect you with suitable lenders, and provide end-to-end support, ensuring you get the best terms and rates. Also, the process is fully digital, which means you save the hassle of running from bank to bank with piles of paperwork. If this guide was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more detailed insights. Planning your MBA journey? Drop your questions below and consider reaching out to UniCreds for personalized assistance. Until next time, keep planning and stay focused on your MBA goals. All the best.